In this video, I will show you how you can claim $100 non-deposit bonus that you can use to start trading with. As you can see right here, this is my Telegram channel. Please do well to join this channel because here I drop details, information even before bringing them on YouTube. So it is very important that you join this particular channel right here. So for you to get the link to the $100 non-deposit bonus, all you have to do is just click on the link in the description of the video to bring you right here. Or you have to just click the link like this, as you can see showing on the screen, and to take you directly to where you're going to register an account with them. Before I continue, if you know this is your first time, if you coming across this channel, or you're already watching videos on this channel but you are yet to subscribe on this channel, please do well to subscribe on this channel. It is very important that you subscribe on this channel so you don't miss out on details and videos that I drop often, and because there are some videos that you need to watch immediately and claim the bonus immediately so you don't miss out. So please do well to watch the video. So now let's head to how we can get the account. To get the particular account, you'll be downloading the app. As you can see right here, shown on the screen, this is the app that you'll be downloading, the DD Max Trader. All you have to do is just install this app right here. Install the app, and after installing the app, then you'll be opening an account with them to go ahead and get the $100 no deposit bonus that we need to start trading with without having to pay any deposit or dime of our own. To get this bonus, all you have to just register an account with them by downloading their app, registering an account, and you'll be getting this particular account. So now I'm just going to click on open showing right here. Just going to click on open and it's take me directly to the app. So all I'm going to do here now is to create an account. Click on I do not have account to create an account right here. All you have to do is just put your full name, your phone number, email address, your DD program reward, referral ID, everything, and accept your customer agreement and click on register. In this part here, you're going to be clicking on not join the program. That's what you're going to be clicking on, not join the program. In this your DD Max program reward. As you can see shown on the screen, this is my login details, as you can see right here, and my password login to my account. So all you have to just copy this password and use it to log in. As I can, password are only shown to you once, so please make sure you copy it or you take a screenshot so you don't miss this particular password and account. So this is me after putting my login details, and I'm just going to click on sign in right here. And this is me after logging into my account. As you can see shown on the screen, this is the welcome bonus right here. So I'm just going to click on get bonus right here, and as you can see, do you want to open a new MT5 bonus account? You click on confirm right here. Here I have my login details to my MT5, as you can see right here on the server, which is DD Max Life account. So I'm just going to copy my login details and I'll head to my MetaTrader 5 now and get the account. So here I am in my MetaTrader 5. I'm going to find the trader. So I'm just going to click on DD Max. As you can see right here, this is the account here. So I'm just going to change this to live account right here. So I'm just going to put in my login details right here and click on login. I'm going to click on login right here. And as you can see, I have my $100 account showing on the screen here. And I'm just going to head to trade. And as you can see, my $100 account is on the screen here. You can go ahead and click on chat and start trading with on this account. So please do well to share this video to your friends and family who will be in need of help with this video. And also please don't forget to share, like, comment, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on this channel and more updates and videos that I drop often on this channel. We are able to get this $100 no deposit bonus, and I hope you don't miss out from getting this account. If you know you have any questions regarding this bonus, do well to ask in the comment section, or you come to the Telegram discussion group and ask a question right there. To get the Telegram discussion group, all you have to do is just comment to the pinned post right here. As you can see, comment to the pinned post right here and click on the link that will take you to the Telegram discussion group. And as you can see, discussion has already been going on right in this group. So if you have any question, please do well to drop it here so you don't miss out on any details and information regarding the bonus account. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next video.